It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, as I said there, I will be dealing in detail regarding functions, quadratic equations and logarithms. I have done 2 sessions in the previous month. We will continue with the 3rd, 4th and 5th session, right? We will be having 5 sessions regarding this. So I will be dealing in detail, right, from basics to the highest level questions there. So let's solve some very good questions regarding quadratic equations today. So I'm hoping more students will join live and try to solve with me, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma. My best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011 and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus. In iconic, you will be assigned with a mentor, right? Personal coach, and there will be one-to-one live mentorship program there. How this mentor will be helpful, right? See here, as I said there, you will be having one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them about your difficulties facing. You will be getting best solutions to overcome that. More advantage, you will be getting personalized test analysis. Now this is much needed for the students now. Most of the students complain me this, sir, we are not able to solve the questions even though after completing the entire syllabus we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If they are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. right? One more advantage when you choose iconic, right? You will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes for core branches, right? This will be literally a boost so that you can complete all your software courses. It will be a very good backup for your career. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now, these are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you will get my guidance, my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me, and you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728, and for 12 months, this is 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. We have, of course, these prices are valid only up to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. right? After June 8th, these are the new prices. The price is going to hike by 22%. So do try to subscribe before the price hikes. And we have introduced this 9-month subscription, right? Those who are aiming at GATE 2023, and this will be an optimum time for your preparation, right? 9 months is a perfect optimum time. Do try to subscribe for this. And again, the price for iconic for 12 months will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we heard your concerns. We have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. Let us suppose take 12-month subscription price now is 52,000. Previously it was 55,886. Yes, and we are going to divide this GATE and ESE category into 4 separate learning goals, right? So those who want to watch the content of all the branches, do try to subscribe before June 6th. And as you all know, you will be provided with the best notes written by topmost educators in India. Whomsoever subscribes, physical notes will be delivered to you. Whomsoever subscribes for 1 year and above GATE iconic subscriptions, right? Do try to avail this offer there. And again, those who are aiming at more discount, right? Do try to write combat, which happens on June 5th, 11 a.m. sharp. Based upon the score, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. Unlock the combat using with my code NLN10. Done. Chalo, let's start the questions there. So this is the today I'll forward the entire notes now because I have done all the questions now. I'll forward to the community groups and all those things. So that way it will be very helpful for you. Observe this question carefully. What is the question asked? If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha minus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 2 alpha beta. Right, now you have to find out the roots, it seems. So little bit I will make this equation into an easy format, let's see. And you know that this is the quadratic equation and these are the roots, it seems. So can I write down this equation like this? So I'll take down LCM here, which will be alpha into beta. Now automatically here beta is there, now it will become alpha square. Now plus beta square. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Minus 2 into, can I write down like this directly? See here, 2 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So why I am writing like this means to make sure that in the format of sum of roots and product of roots plus 2 alpha beta. And देखो बेटा, this is the equation. So see here, can I write down my equation like this? X square plus, so my sum of roots will be minus b by a. Am I right or wrong? Minus b by a plus c by a is equal to 0. If alpha beta are the roots, and this equation will become in this format: x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Done. Now closely observe there. I'll write down this numerator part in this way so that will be very easy for me, right, to convert. Can I write down this as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta? Yes, minus 2 alpha beta, then that will be your original numerator there, divided by alpha beta minus 2 into alpha beta, alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta plus 2 into alpha beta. Hope so clear. Now in the place of alpha beta, can I write down this as minus b by a? So my all options are in the format of BAC format, right? In the place of alpha beta, I will write down this one. Observe the minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is nothing but c by a divided by, everybody know, see here, alpha beta is nothing but equal to again c by a minus 2 into alpha beta is nothing but minus b by a, and this is how much ma, c by a plus 2 alpha beta is nothing but equal to 2 into c by a. Hope so you got my point there, what I am writing down. So observe this equation. Now observe only this equation. I will convert this. I am rounding off this one. So see here, can I write down the same equation like this? Minus b into minus b will be plus b. So plus b square by a square divided by c by a minus 2. Can I write down like this? Yes, this will become this one. So finally, can I write down like this? So you closely observe there. So as you understood this point there, I will be writing down like this, into a by c. Is it okay for you? Minus 2. Now see here, I am writing down this format like this, plus. Now see here, this minus into minus will become plus. This a gets cancelled. So automatically this becomes 2b by c plus 2c by a. Hope so you got my point there. So finally, what will be my answer there? A gets cancelled down here. So I'll write down the final answer there. B square by AC plus 2B by C plus 2C by A minus 2. Now this will be the answer there, ma'am. Is there any options which satisfy there? No, there is no such option there, and you have to write down your D option there. Perfectly done. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Will we go for the next one? So I am expecting you guys to answer this question. I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. A function f is defined as f of a plus b is equal to f of a plus f of b plus 2ab, it seems. So I'll write down this only this equation. Next you have to frame, as I said there, for functions you have to frame the general equation, unless until nobody can help you regarding this to solve. So can I write down? I'll write down the equation here for your convenience. F of a plus b is equal to f of a plus f of b plus 2ab. Twenty seconds more. So see here, first of all, my aim is to find out f of 15 here. I can break down my f of 15 into my own convenient format. I can find out f of 14 plus 1, f of 10 plus 5, f of 6, whatsoever. So I have value of f of 4. With this only I can construct their ma. Let us suppose take, if I know 16, no, it is little bit difficult. F of 16 minus 1 will be f of 15. That will be also fine. That also I can find out. 16 matlab I have to know 8. Am I right or wrong? How many of you got this idea to solve there? Anybody? So anybody break this down there? Let's check there. Now observe there. First of all, f of 4 is given there. I will do this one. F of 4. So f of 4 is equal to, can I write down this f of 4 as f of 2 plus f of 2 plus, why I am writing this, I will explain you, right? A plus b na f of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now what is f of 2 value there? This is 8. This is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 2 into f of 2. So finally my f of 2 value will be is equal to how much? Is it 8? 24 minus 16 to 8. Okay, chalo, I'll do one more thing. So chalo, I have no choice of making this into minus ma, because I don't know minus relationship. Minus relationship, you cannot frame it. You have to frame only the relationship given by the question only. So chalo, I'll find out f of 1. Can I find out my f of 1 like this? F of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1. You know f of 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So f of 1 will be how much? 3. I know only this way. If there is any sophisticated way, you can say me in the comment section box here. Chalo, next, my aim is to find out f of 14 ma, because I cannot find out f of 16 because I don't know subtractive relationship there. So my aim is to find out f of 14. So I will be writing down this as f of 8 plus 6. So I will be finding out f of 8 and f of 6 there. First I will find out f of 8, and I know f of 8 to find out very easily. So is this nothing but, can I write down it directly? 2 into, so I'll write down like this. So little bit it will be clear later on if you see the notes also. F of 4 plus 4 is equal to, I'll write down here directly, 2 into f of 4 plus 2 into 4 into 4. Now everybody know this is 48. F of 4 is 24. 2 into 24 is 48. 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 48 plus 32 is nothing but how much? 80. So f of 8 value is 80. Let's find out f of 6. How can you write down f of 6 here? F of 6 is nothing but equal to f of 4 plus 2, because I know 4, I know 2, then I can find out this value very easily. Now f of 4 plus f of 2 into plus 2 into 4 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 24, right? Right, so is this the answer called 48? Done. Right, let's come to the next one. Right, so I got f of 8, f of 6. Now I will find out f of 14. Everybody know f of 14 is nothing but equal to f of 8 plus f of 6 plus 2 into 8 into 6. And you know these values there. F of 8 is 80. F of 6 is 48. 2 into 8 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 8s are 96. And this is nothing but equal to 224. Yes. So finally I have to find out this one, f of 15. F of 15, can I write down this as f of 14 plus 1? Yes, f of 14 plus 1. Then I got the answer there perfectly. F of 14 plus f of 1 plus 2 into 14 into 1. F of 14 is how much? 224. F of 1 is how much? 3. 2 into 14 is nothing but 28. Finally, what will be the answer there? Is it 255? Yes, it is 255. So I'll substitute 255 here. 255 plus 1 is 256 and your answer will be 16. And is this your answer there? Perfectly done. Done. Now, try this question here. Simple equation and quadratic equations combo question, right? So you might have seen this question in your IIT JEE classes mostly. One minute more. It's an easy question. First of all, system of linear equations, if it must not have any solution, what must be the format there? If you can find out that, automatically your answer is done. You're unstoppable. In seconds more. The answer is Sahu. Who is there in the morning? What happened to him now? So see here, this is the equation ax plus 3y is equal to b, 3x plus by is equal to q has no solution. Means it has to be in this format. A by 3 is equal to 3 by b must not be equal to p by q. Am I right or wrong? So by this I can frame a relationship there. Crisscross this, a into b will become 9. I'll keep it aside, I'll do it. What is the remaining thing? Where a comma b comma p q are real numbers. The quadratic equation ax square minus 10x plus b is equal to 0 has roots c and d. Find the value of a and c. If c is greater than d means c must be positive root, d must be negative root. And a is greater than 0. If a is greater than 0 only, automatically, of course, right, it will be a quadratic equation. Now, how to find out the roots? You know, how to find out the roots with this formula, right? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, so I will find out positive value, because that is very easy one. Positive value is nothing but equal to c. C is equal to, what is your b value? B value is nothing but equal to minus 10. So minus into minus 10. I want positive roots, so I will find out plus root of b square minus 10 whole square plus minus 4 into a value is a, c value is b. Am I right or wrong in this quadratic equation? Divided by 2a. Now everybody know, I already have calculated this ab value. AB value is nothing but how much? 9. So finally see here, can I do this? Minus into minus 10 will be plus 10 plus the root of minus 10 into minus 10 will be 100 minus 4 9s are 36 divided by 2a, and finally what will be the thing there? This is 8 64 8 10 plus 8 18 18 by 2a will be 9a. Am I right or wrong? So finally my equation is c is equal to 9 by a, and my question is asked a into c. Can I multiply the same thing there? A into c is equal to 9, and I got my answer there, right? My a into c is equal to 9. Exact, perfectly right. So there is no issue in this. Am I clear? Right. Shall we solve one more question? Try this question here. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answer for this? If a and b are positive numbers it seems, so no negatives, no zeros. What is the nature of the roots of the equation? Means you have to find out the discriminant value here. So how many of you got this idea, right? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant will be less than 0. Seriously? That how can you decide this? Shall I prove this? Of course, this is positive numbers only it seems. No, yeah. No, yeah. Observe the equation there. This is the equation given there. I will change this equation. So what I will do is I will divide this equation entirely by yes, AMGM relationship. You can use it. I'll divide this entire equation by a plus b to make myself to easily calculate this. So then my equation will become how much? X square plus 2ab divided by a plus b plus if I divide it by a plus b, this is a plus b whole cube now, this becomes a plus b whole square divided by 16 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation, this is where you have to find out your discriminant value. So normally your general quadratic equation will be in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and your discriminant value is nothing but delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, fine. Now closely observe there. Your b value is nothing but this, and your c value is nothing but this. Will you accept with me? So b square value is nothing but this is your b, this is your c, and your a value is nothing but equal to 1. Nothing is given there now. So see here, is it nothing but called 2ab divided by a plus b whole square, b square minus 4ac, 4 into a is 1, now c is a plus b whole square divided by 16 is equal to 0. Now, can I write down the same equation like this? 2ab divided by a plus b whole square. Now see here, this is 4 ones are, this is 4 fours are. So can I write down this equation as a plus b divided by 2 whole square? Yes, perfectly done. Up dekho beta, if I remove squares here, now if you closely observe there, this without this square part, is this nothing but called your geometric mean? Is it harmonic mean, right? 2ab by a plus b is nothing but harmonic mean. Am I right or wrong? This is not geometric mean also. This is your arithmetic mean. A plus b divided by 2. Can you take this on this as a? Am I right or wrong? Of course, right? We have a relationship there. Arithmetic mean, everybody know about this, is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So you can use this relationship, then find out, right? Everybody know this is your arithmetic mean. A plus b divided by 2 will always be greater than or equal to 2ab divided by a plus b. I hope so I am clear regarding this. How? I can prove it in a normal fashion also, right? See here, it might be equal, it might be greater. Let us suppose take, I will use this equation only, ma. I'll take an example. For example, my a is equal to b is equal to 2. My ab values are same. Then what will be the answer there? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2 square. 2 square minus 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, again 2 square is equal to 0. Is it right? So my a is equal to b is equal to same value means my discriminant value is equal to 0. Here in this case my discriminant value is equal to 0. For example, I'll write down in red ink. Ruko bhai. Now see here, if my a value is equal to 1 and my b value is equal to 2, non-equal, I'm taking out separate values there. Now what will be the answer there? 3 divided by 2. Now see here, this will be 3 by 2 whole square minus, now this will be how much? 2 into 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3, 4 by 3 whole square. Now which value is higher, 4 by 3 or 3 by 2? This value is higher. By this what can you say? My discriminant value is less than 0. Am I right or wrong? So closely observe there are two equations. Either my discriminant value is equal to 0 or my discriminant value is less than 0. Am I right or wrong? So there are two. So my answer might be real and equal. My answer might be non-real and distinct. My d value is equal to b, either b or c. Both options are right. Am I right or wrong? It can be 0 also. Na 0 matlab real and equal. Delta is less than 0, non-real, distinct. Delta is equal to 0 is less than 0 means non-real and distinct. Conjugate roots. So my D option is true. Raho, you only said me only 1 point there. Observe it carefully. You only gave me 1 point for me. Right. Now try this functions question there. Let us crack the data there. Let's see how many can answer this. 2 minutes. Yes, you left that equal criteria. Yes, that's the point there. Answer both. 21. It's not 21 here. 1 C once more. F of x is a polynomial in x of degree 7. So x to the power of 7. The coefficient of x to the power of 7 f of x is 1, it seems. So x to the power of 7 only. Coefficient is 1 value only. So f of 1 is equal to 5. F of 2 is equal to 7, it seems. F of 3 9, F of 4 11, F of 5 13, F of 6 15, F of 7 17. So by observation, can I write down like this? F of 2 minus f of 1 is nothing but equal to 2 value. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down 3 relationships, you can understand this. F of 3 minus f of 2 is nothing but equal to again 2. So on. At last, finally, my final value is f of 7 minus f of 6 is nothing but equal to again 2. So finally, can I write down a general equation here? Observe it. If I'm correct. F of x plus 1 minus f of x is nothing but equal to 2. So can I write down one more equation like g of x is nothing but equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x minus 2. Can I write down like this? So you are asked to find out f of 8, it seems. Okay. Now how much will be f of 8? So can I write down like this? F of 8 minus means x plus 1. This will be how much? My f of 7 is nothing but equal to, now see here, you have to write down from here. You have to find out f of 8 means your x value must be 8. So your power value must be 8. So in order to be not 0, it has to start with this like this, x minus 7 into x minus 6. Am I right or wrong? X minus 2, I mean 5, so on. It is x minus 1 plus 2. Am I right or wrong? Is equal to 2 na? So see here minus 2 na, this I took on the right hand side. So f of 8 value you have to find out, and you know f of 7 value is nothing but equal to how much? 17. So see here, I have to substitute here 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now see here, 7 minus 6 is, I mean 8 minus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Finally how much will become? 7. Is it nothing but called 7 factorial plus 2? And my f of 8 value will be equal to how much? 7 factorial. So this 17 will come to the right hand side, will become plus 19. Now please let me know how much will be the f of 8 value. 6 I mean into 120 into 7 is 5040 plus 19. Yes. Now is this nothing but called 5059? That's your answer there. How many of you got this right? See. Hope Aditya, you got my point there clearly. Any doubts in this? Let's come to the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes, try this. Again, a functions based question. How many of you will get an idea to solve this question easily? Let's see. Once again, watch the video, right? Rewind it and watch it, Aditya. For a cubic function f of x comma, f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 2, it seems. This is the condition given there. And f of 4 is nothing but equal to 14. Then find the value of f of 5 is the question asked. For a quadratic function, there will be two roots, Aditya. For an equation which contains x power 8, how many roots will be there? Count it. Automatically 8 roots will be there, na? Answer for this. Now, observe there, I'll write down one equation there, yeah, first of all. I'll write down general equation with respect to this format. Can I write down like this, f of x? I will take a constant multiple called k. Now see here, this will work out only x minus 1 minus x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 2. If I write down the general equation in this format only, this will work out. Because substitute 3 there, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 3 0, completely this value will become 0, answer is 2. Substitute 2 there, entire answer will 2. Substitute 1 there, again answer will 2. So this is the general equation there. By this I will find out f of 4 here. F of 4 is nothing but equal to k into, we don't know this k value, how much is the multiple. 4 minus 1, let's calculate this. 4 minus 1 to 4 minus 2 to 4 minus 3 plus 2. What is your f of 4 value? 14. This 2 comes to this side, 12 is equal to k into 3 into 2 into 1. Is your k value 2? What is the question asked? And you are asked to find out. Alright, let's come to this f of 5. F of 5 is nothing but equal to, your k value is nothing but equal to 2. In the place of x, I have to substitute 5 there. 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 5 minus 3 plus 2, 14. How can it be 14 here? So 2 into 4 into 5 into 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2 plus 2. 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 43. Is it 50? F of 5 is 50. 50, 50. Plus 2 is there. Saho. Plus 2 is there. Functions is nothing but making down general equation. If you can frame the general equation, then automatically you can solve the answer very easily. Otherwise, it will take so much of time to solve the question there. So this is the question asked in. Before that, I will go to the one more question, right? This is the question which was asked in your 2022 GATE examination year. I will solve this question. Next question you will be solving it. Consider the following functions for non-zero positive integers, it seems. F of 4 is 14, yes. Okay, fine. For non-zero positive integers, because it must not be 0. P and Q, f of P comma Q is equal to P into P into P into P into P up to P to the power of Q, Q terms it seems. G of P comma Q is P to the power of P to the power of 4, P up to Q terms it seems. G is P comma 1, right? P, F P comma 1 is equal to P it seems. Which of the following options is correct? Rather than doing all those things, we can check the options and come back here. Let's start from last one because I know the option now, that's why I'm doing this. So D option, let's come to the D option. F of 2 comma 2, f of 2 comma 2 means what will be the value there? These are q terms it seems. So p value is 2, q value is 2 and your answer is 4. Come to g value, g of 2 comma 2, which I can write down this as p 2, how many p's will be there? 2. So your answer is 4. अब देखो by this f of 2 comma 2 is equal to g of 2 comma 2 is correct. I will be solving this one. I'll solve this one in writing. Let's see. I'll write on separating. So already you know g of 2 comma 2 is how much? 4. Just now you have calculated. Now g of 2 comma 2 is nothing but 4. Just now you have calculated. By this I can write down this equation as directly f of 4 comma 2 is less than, is it less than? No. F comma, let's see, right? Yeah, now this is f of 2 comma 4. Now how much is this value? This is nothing but equal to p value is 4, q value is 2. Now this is how much? 2, p value is 2. Now this is equal to, am I right or wrong? Both are equal to 16. So it is given as less than. So my first option is wrong. This way can you solve it? Now see, I'll write down in black ink. Now you can do it very easily. G of 2 comma 1. G of 2 comma 1. So p value is 2, q value is 1. F sorry. This is okay, perfectly right. So p into p, 2 to the power of 1. This is also 2 into 2, only one time na. Now closely observe that both are equal to, but it is not given as not equal to. So your B option is wrong. Similarly, your C option is also wrong. Your option number D is true. Also clear? So 99% of the mechanical students have left this question and came out. Nobody have solved this. Most of the students didn't solve this. Yes. Now try this. This is also a GATE 2022 question which was asked in CSE category, Com Science category. Let's see. Any answers for this? Buddy? Let R be a root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 6. R means in the place of x, let us substitute R. Then we will solve it. Let us see if we work it out. Can I write down the same equation like this? R square plus 2R is equal to minus 6. Can I write down the same equation like this? Because in the place of x, one root is R. So closely observe there, multiply these two parts here. So this will be equal to, if you closely observe there, R square plus 5R plus 6 will be this part. This is what your question is. Answer value of this expression only. So r square plus 9r plus 20. I mean 4 into r will be 4r, r into 5 will be 5r, 9r plus 20. Now observe here, can I write down the same equation like this? R square plus 2r plus 3r plus 6. Can I write down the same equation like this? R square plus 2r plus 7r plus 20. Now can I write down this equation this in this format? Can I write down minus 6 there? Can I write down this as minus 6 there? Minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled off. So 3r will be left over here. Now here how much will be left over there? Minus 6 into 7. So minus 6, is it 14? 7r plus 14. And again, can I write down the same equation like this? 3r yes, 3r into, can I take down so I will do like this one. I will do like this. 3r into 7r will be 21r square, yeah. 3r into 14 will be how much? 14 3s are. How can I write down this? Yes, I can write down this. So 1 second. I can do this easily. What I will do, I will remove 2. If I remove 2, 3r into, if I remove 7, r plus 2 will be left over. So I will remove 3 is 21. I'll make it 21 into r square plus 2r. Is it okay for you? And everybody know what is your r square plus 2r value? Is it minus 6? So finally, what will be my answer there? How many of you got this idea to solve there? Is it minus 126? And is your answer there? C option. Aditya, Manoj, how many of you got this idea there? So this was the GATE 2022 Com Science paper question. The previous one was mechanical wala paper. I think evening, yes, evening session paper. We solve one more question there. Yes, let's see how many can solve this. You missed out the question here, sorry. Try this question. The answer for this. If a is a natural number and both the roots of the quadratic equation ax square minus 15x plus k is equal to 0 are prime numbers. So roots are prime numbers, it seems. Then the sum of all possible values of k is the question asked. I can help you in one part here. Can I write down this quadratic equation like this? Now ax square, x square plus minus 15 by a. No, yeah. The final equation is this now, so I can write down this only. X square minus 15 by a to x of roots must be positive plus k by a is equal to 0. So this is nothing but called my sum of roots. This is nothing but called my product of roots. Okay, chalo. Finally, what I have got this point is my sum of roots must be equal to 15 by a. And again, these are natural numbers, matlab no fractions, no point values. So this a must be the divisibles of 15, right? Divisibles, right? So a can be a 1. Fact, write down the factors there: 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 15. These are the things there. Let us suppose take if a is equal to 1. No, here there is no lag. If a is equal to 1, then what will be the sum value there? Sum value is nothing but equal to 15. And see here, alpha plus beta. Sum is nothing but equal to alpha plus beta. So this alpha beta has to be prime numbers. So I can break my 15 into only two parts, which is nothing but 2 comma 13. Apart from that, I cannot do anything there. Now see here, my sum of my product of roots k by a is nothing but equal to 2 into 13, which is nothing but 26. My k is equal to a value is equal to 1. (14r square) in second bracket equation. What is this 14r square? Where is this 14r square? How can it be 14r square here? Done. We are right on. Dekho. Check correctly. K is equal to 26. Let's come to the next one. Next one. If a is equal to 2, a is equal to 3. Next one is a is equal to 3. Then my sum value is equal to 5. So this 5 is nothing but equal to alpha plus beta. So alpha comma beta must be prime numbers, and there is only one chance for me. 5 can be break down into 2 comma 3. There must be no common factors between them. So my product of roots k by a value is nothing but equal to 6. 2 into 3, and देखो my a value is equal to 3. Then my k value is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 18? Yes, it is 18. Come to the next one. If k is equal to 5, if k is equal to 5, write down here. K is equal to 5, then my sum value is nothing but equal to 5. Alright. Sorry. My sum value is equal to 3. And देखो, this I can break down into 1 comma 2 only, but 1 is not a prime number, so this value is not valid. Not k value, my a value, right? A value is equal to 5. So this is not valid. Come to next one. If my a value is equal to 15, my sum value is nothing but equal to 1. Cannot break down sum 1 into two parts because I have to frame only natural numbers. So my a value, this is also not valid. So my valid conditions are only two. A is equal to 1, a is equal to the sum of all possible values of k. Sum of all possible values of k is nothing but equal to 26 plus 18. Is it nothing but called 44? Yes, it is 44. Quickly done. Exactly done, right? Chalo, we have done this question previously, that's why I'm not doing this again. This one. Want you guys to answer this one. 2 minutes. Function x value is given there. You have to find out the value of 16p. Okay. It's an easy question. seconds more. No answer for this. What happened to Saho? Ab dekho, this is the equation, ma. So you are given with two equations. I'll write down here. F of x is equal to x cube minus p x square, sorry, px square plus qx minus r. Now again one more point is given there. F of x minus 4 is nothing but given as x cube plus lx square plus mx minus 64 is the value. Then you are asked to find out this value. So what I will do is, in this equation I will substitute, I'll take down this one, f of x minus 4. If I take down f of x minus 4, now this will be x minus 4 whole cube minus p into x minus 4 whole square plus q into x minus 4 minus r. So finally, so expand this equation, ma, a minus b whole cube, na, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Am I right or wrong? So x cube minus 3a square b, 3a square b means 12x square plus 3ab square plus 3ab square means 16, 63s are 48x plus b cube 64. This is in the format of x minus 4 whole square. Can I write down like this? Minus px square minus 16p plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8px minus into minus will become plus 8px plus qx minus 4q minus r. You closely observe there, this you wrote this one, right, already given here, x cube plus lx square plus mx minus 64. Whatsoever I can cancel down this. Okay, so what I will do is I'll write down this equation first of all in a compact format, then I'll come back. This is x cube. Are there any x squares left over? There are two x squares. So can I write down this as minus 12 plus p x square? Are there any x? Yes, there are many x, right? Plus 8p plus q plus 48 into x. This is your m value. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now next one, minus 16p minus 4q minus r, and again one more thing is left over. This is not plus 64, this is minus 64, right? अब देखो by minus b cube na, a minus b whole minus 64, and so it will be minus 64. Now see, compare your LHS and RHS. This is your m value, this is your L value. Now automatically x cube on LHS RHS get cancelled, LX square, this one gets cancelled. Now m and m, everything. At last finally what can I do is what is left over? 16p plus 4q plus r, I'll take down minus as common, will be equal to 0. And this minus also will come to this side. At last finally 16, this is your answer. Is it equal to 0? Yes, it is equal to 0. Perfectly done. So how was the questions today? We have done one such very good questions. You enjoyed it. So every day I'll come up with some very good questions, ma. As you all know, I deal with CAT, ESE and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. The price per plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 18 and 24 months. Yes, we have introduced this 9-month subscription, right? Those who are aiming at GATE 2023, and this will be the optimum time for your preparation for GATE 2020. We have extended our price hike date to June 8th, 11:59 p.m. So you can subscribe presently with the previous prices only, and these are the hike prices. So do try to subscribe before the price hike happens. And yes, we have added your community feature for Android, right? I am forwarding my notes, my entire details, whatever the classes I am taking there. So do try to be in touch in this community feature, right? You can ask me any doubt regarding your subject. And yes, we are going to divide this GATE and ESE category. It has to be done by May 31st. So we are doing this by 6th June. Of course, those who want to watch the content of all the branches, do try to subscribe before June 6th. And yes, these are the prices for Iconic for 12 months, 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is by 18 and 24 months. Of course, I said that we have heard your concerns and decreased the Iconic prices by 21%. Suppose take for 12 months it is 52,000. Already I have given you all the features of Iconic. Do try to do. Those who are aiming at only test series, yes, this GATE Lite subscription will be helpful for them. Do try to use this. And if you have any doubt, you need not wait for any one help. Right? Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Just click the picture of the doubt, crop it, upload in doubts and solution section, select your preferred language, get the video solution within minutes there, and ask 3 doubts at a time. And do try to join my special classes, right, where I am dealing campus placement strategy sessions. I've done for more than 110 colleges, right? Do try to subscribe. Do try to come to my free classes, right, which will be helpful those who are aiming at premium placements. And do try to join this Telegram group to get all the updates regarding the courses and batches, right, and initiatives taken up by all the educators. Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes so that I can reach to more number of audience. If you like it, share it, right, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the community features and also from Telegram group. Hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.